Hi everyone, I had to click the camera on. I have a video of Lily sitting over in the corner there, and it's just, she is like, what is going on here? Now Lily, what she actually did was she went over there and she curled up on all the things that were the plugs connected in to the extension, electrical extension there, which of course is plugged into my modems and my TV and so forth. And she made herself very comfortable, curled up on top of that for all day. And I guess it was lovely and warm laying on the top of them, and she was quite comfortable there. I let her out earlier today and she went straight there, and I could see exactly what she was going to do. She was going to curl up on them again. So I had to go out, so I put her back home, and I decided to put her old hide box up there. Wow, she is looking for every way possible to get up under that box and to get on top of those plugs again. And I really do not want her doing it, and she is absolutely, she has been all over that box trying to find some way of getting under it. And you know, ultimately this is going to get, you know, quite warm because of the warmth of those plugs. But I was just kind of hoping that she would curl up there and make herself comfortable on top of the box. But she wants the box gone. She wants to lay directly on those plugs, which do have all that warmth on them. And I'm not doing it, and hence why the box is there. So, I mean, does that not tell you just how smart they are? Like, she knows what's under that box. She knows that she wants to get up under that box and curl up on those plugs. It's not happening, Lily. It's just not, and there's no way in there. There's no way under it. The actual opening to her hide is up against the wall, so she can't get into it. It's actually really quite dusty in there, and that just goes to show I don't dust very often up there at all. But she's like, I've spoiled all her fun. She had it all worked out, and now it's just not going to happen, sweetie. You know, touch there. So now that's smart. And if she could get her nose up under it, I guarantee you she would lift that box up and she would go under it and get up there in the box on top of those plugs. One smart cookie. I'll never understand anybody that says they can't think. You know, Lily has never done that before. You know, gone and laid on those plugs. But she did it that couple of days ago. And I knew the moment I let her out earlier today. Well, actually it was yesterday she did it all day, sorry. And I knew the moment I let her out today, this was exactly where she was going to go. She didn't forget. But I've got her stumped. She doesn't know what to do. There you go. That's all I wanted to really show you. They're smart. They're clever. Ciao.